Good morning to all. Welcome to the virtual class of computer of class 7th. Today we are going to start lesson number 5, part number 2. Our topic is GIMP tools. So let's start. Perspective tool. Have you ever observed while driving on a highway with trees on both sides, the trees that are near to us are taller and that are far from us appear smaller? Why is it so? This is called perspective. Perspective is the appearance of things relative to one another. The steps to use these tools are: first, select the image or the part of the image. Select perspective tool from the toolbox. Click on the image. A grid appears on the image or the selected part of the image with 4 corner handles. The perspective dialog box appears. Click and drag the corner to change the border of the outline. Press the enter button or click on the perspective button in the dialog box. First of all, open your GIMP software. Now open any image. Then go to tool option, transform tools, and go to perspective. Click on this. Now click on this point and drag the mouse. Release the mouse. Then go to next point, click it and drag the mouse and release the mouse. Press the enter key. Your picture will be changed. This tool is perspective tool. Next is blur or sharpen tool. Burning means image is unclear or hazy. A thing cannot be seen or hardly clear. Blurring is the most common way to both highlight it and hide certain elements within a photo. The steps to use this tool are: open the image, select the blur or sharpen tool from the toolbox, or select tools menu, paint tools, and choose blur and sharpen option. We can select from the following options from the tool option area. First is fade out. Selecting this option will fade the color. Next is apply jitter. Selecting this option will spread a variety of colors on the image. Next is hard edge. This option applies dark color. Next is blur. This option will blend each pixel more different from its neighboring pixels. Next is rate. The rate slider is used to set the strength of the blur or sharpen effect. In the last, click and drag over the required portion of the image. Open your software, go to the file menu, open and open an image. Suppose I open the image. Now go to tools option, paint tools, and go to blur and sharpen. Now click on the image. Continuously click on the image. You see your picture will be blur. Click on the mouse button and drag on the picture. Now release the mouse. Again click on the picture and drag it. Your picture will be blur. This option is blur and sharpen tool. You can change the property of the blur and sharpen tool from this side. Next is smudge tool. This tool uses the current brush to smudge color of an image. When we click and drag the mouse, it picks the color and mixes with the next color. The steps are: first, open the image. Next, select smudge tool from the toolbox. We can select from tool options as we did for the blur and sharpen tool. We can also select the brush from the tool options in the toolbox. Click and drag the mouse on the required portion of the image. First open any image in your software, then go to tools option, paint tools and choose smudge option. This side is the property of this tool. You can increase or decrease the volume of the tool. Now click on the image and drag it. With this tool you can mix your image with the background. This tool is smudge tool. Next is blend tool. This option can be used to fill the selected area with gradient blend of the foreground and background colors. The steps to use this tool are: draw any shape or select an area of the image. Select the foreground and background color. Select the blend tool from the toolbox or select tools menu, next paint option, next blend option. Select from the following options. First is gradient. Select from the available gradient style like foreground to background, etc. Next is shape. Select from the available shapes to fill the shape like linear, radial, square, etc. Blend tool. For blend tool, click on the file menu, go to new option and create a new file. Now go to tools option, paint tools and click on gradient. This window is gradient window. Here you can select your design. Suppose I want this color. Click on this and click here and drag the mouse from other corner and your design will be created. This option is blend tool. You can increase or decrease it. Click the point and drag the mouse. Thank you.